Welcome to the channel Maths by Swati ma'am. We are with the chapter Applications of Trigonometry and we have already discussed the first two questions in the previous videos. If you have not watched them, links are provided in the description box. Please go through the link and watch the videos and you will get a perfectness in the chapter so-called Applications of Trigonometry. Fine. Now we'll move with the third question, dear. And with respect to applications of trigonometry, you need to practice a lot, dear. Understanding. Fine. We'll move to the third question. So if you have NCERT textbook, it is the third question in the first exercise with respect to applications of trigonometry. I'll read once the question here. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prepares to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an 60 degree from the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each cases? See, there is a constructor. She has to plan to construct 2 slides for the kinds of children, younger children and elder children. Means I have 2 cases here, dears. So first I'll take case 1. Okay, first I'll take case 1, the first case. What is the first case, dear? Look at the question we have. See, for children below the age of 5 years. In the case 1, I am taking those children who are below 5 years. Okay, who are below 5 years. She prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter. Okay, see, she want to construct a slide where the top height is how much, dear? 1.5 meter. Okay, the height of the top is how much? 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Okay, so the slide is inclined at an angle 30 degree with respect to the ground. 30 degree with respect to the ground. This is the case 1 question. Okay, and after that, and inclined at an 30 degree. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at height of 3 meter. Okay, I'll write here case 2. Okay, here let me take case 2, wherein case 2, dear, where the children more than age 5 years. Okay, more than age 5 year group, she has got a height. The height of the slide is 3 meter. Okay, suppose this is the base ground, this is the height of the slide, and after that the slide is inclined to the ground is 60 degree. Okay, the slide is inclined to the ground is how much? 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? Now the question is the question is asked about what is the length of the slide. See, this is, I'll consider x as the length of the slide, and here also I'll consider x as the length of the slide. Okay, now let me solve these questions. First, let me deal with the first case and after that we'll move to the second case. I'll name the diagram ABC. Dear, if this is a 90 degree, then of course it is a hypotenuse. If it is 30 degree, then the side which is opposite to 30 degree is nothing but opposite side, and this is nothing but adjacent side. Understanding? Fine. Now, if I want to calculate hypotenuse when opposite is provided, and I told you formulas are very important to be remembered. Now tell me, which is the trigonometric ratio that gives you connection between opposite and hypotenuse? None other than sine theta. Yes or no? Yes or no? So I'll writing here sine B. Okay, sine B is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Why B? B is acute angle that I have considered. Sine 30, because B value is 30, opposite is how much? 1.5 divided by hypotenuse I need to calculate. And I told you, you should remember all the angle value table. Now remember sine 30. What is sine 30? I have 1 by 2. Is it not, dear? 1 by 2 is equal to 1.5 divided by h. I'll bring h to this side and 2 to this side. What happens, dear? Look at the board. What happens if I bring this to this side? H is equal to 1.5 into 2. 1.5 into 2, 15 2s are 30. One place after there is a point I should give. What is hypotenuse, dear? 3 meter. Means what is the slide with respect to the children which are below the age of 5 years? That is nothing but 3 meter. I hope it is understood. We'll move to the case 2 part. Okay, here this is the case where it is constructed for those children who are above the age of 5 years. Understanding? Now, see, what is the height of the pole is provided here? 3 meter, and I need to find the length of the slide. Understanding? So now, if this is 90 degree, let me name this as PQR, dears. Understanding? This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree means this is hypotenuse. If it is 60 degree, the side which is opposite to 60 degrees OP, and this will become the adjacent side. Now, opposite provided, again I need to find the hypotenuse, and which is the connection gives between opposite and hypotenuse, dear? It is nothing but sine theta. Understanding? So now I'll be having here sine r. Okay, sine r. Why I am using r here? R because I am considering this angle has to be consideration. Understanding? Sine r is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Understanding? Sine r is how much, dears? 60. Okay, sine 60 is equal to opposite is 3, and here it is hypotenuse. And I told you to remember 60 degree. What is sine 60 value, dear? Sine 60 is nothing but root 3 divided by 2 is equal to 3 by h. Now, dear, to have the value of hypotenuse, I have to bring it to the numerator. To do that, you just bring hypotenuse to this side and 2 to this side. What is going to get, dear? Root 3h is equal to 2 into 3. Okay, see here, root 3h is equal to 2 3s are 6. Bring this root 3 to this side. Multiplication turns to be division. So h is equal to 6 divided by root 3. And once again, it is very important to remember that I cannot keep irrational numbers in the denominator. So what do? I have to rationalize the denominator. If I need to rationalize the denominator, I have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same irrational number. So I'll be having here root 3 by root 3. Fine. Hypotenuse is equal to 6 into root 3. 6 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 will become 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So hypotenuse is equal to 2 root 3 meter. Means in the case number 2, with respect to the children who are the age above 5 years, they are having the slide which is equal to 2 root 3 meter, and the children which are having the age below 5 years will be having the slide length will be equal to 3 meter. Practice the question, and this kind of question may be asked in the board examination. Keep watching. Subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed. If you have any doubts regarding to this question, please do comment in the comment section. I hope it is understood. Thank you for watching. Thank you.